Hello guys, so boy again, and in this video I'm actually going to take you through how you can actually bring back your old image into current state. I'll take you through how you can just do it within 1 minute. It's very simple and convenient. So without any further ado, let's start. So first, you just head over to your Gemini. Actually, we always use AI mostly. So head over to Gemini, free version or pro version. It's all actually great. So here you come to Gemini and then you click on tools and then set it to create image. And then you upload the image of that black and white. And then listen to them. I'm going to use two images to show you how you can blur it. So first, this image which actually is a image, black and white image, and then it looks very bad, terrible. So we are not going to know more about prompts. Other stuff is very simple. Here, all you have to do is just put in a small prompt. Actually, this is it. Just say restore this image quality. I think it's very simple. And then we send it to it. Let's see our outcome. How outcome. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, we are missing a lot. I mostly upload videos about AI and I do take reviews as well. If you love this app, make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll keep you updated. Thank you. So here you see we have got our outcome, but it didn't restore the colors. It didn't give us the perfect color in this current state. It just you see in the first image, you'll see it has how do you call it? And this one scratch on the image, but here it has removed. So actually we are going to tell it to restore the color as well. So restore mostly I just give it restore this image quality and then restore the color and everything. I don't know if I'm doing it, but restore the color and let's see how it's gonna be. So restore the color. So I don't know. Sometimes the grammar doesn't matter. The sentence, you have to just put in a prompt that it's gonna get the idea of what you mean. It's actually going to it's AI. You don't have to be a brilliant person. Very simple. All right. This is it. Oh my God. So here we get the image restore. Okay, let me do something. Oh, okay. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Everything is intact with perfect color accuracy. If you tell somebody that this image is an old image restored to this quality, the person wouldn't believe you. So here we are not going to hesitate that much. We just download the image, and from here, I think this is very perfect. Now we are just actually going to upscale the quality of it, and then see how it's going to be like here. Let's finish downloading, and then we will continue on from there. So here you see the image is really nice. AI has been doing a lot these days. This is crazy, and it's free as well, and that's what's crazy about it. So here we're going to search for image upscale. So here we work on this, and then this one too is free. Mostly I think the first one, and then you take us here and then we upload the image. Oh my God. So here we upload the image like this, and from here we are actually going to remove the watermark which is useful in this picture. We're actually going to remove it for the picture to be perfect. So let's wait for a while and the quality to increase. Then continue from there. So right now we have the best quality image. We just have to remove the watermark. So here we just search watermark remover, click on the first link, and let's look at this is the link. Then we upload the image so that it will I think let's say okay, let's open it, and then within a minute the watermark will be removed from the image and nobody is going to notice that we use AI or we use Gemini to do that. Let's see the results. And sometimes when the results happens to be bad, I'll just take you to Photoshop or Photoshop and then remove the watermark, and then the results is very great. As you can see, nothing bad. And let's download it. So click on the download and then let's open it. So this is how we got it now. See, this is very nice without nobody noticing. And it's really cool. And if you love stuff like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel as I keep sending messages like this on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.